Hey, this is Corey Knight with Classroom Tech Made Simple, and I wanted to share this picture with you. I was on my honeymoon, and right after I took this picture, within minutes, I fell into the ocean at Acadia National Park. So I thought that was kind of funny. I was looking through some pictures. I just wanted to share that out with you. In today's video, we're going to learn about how to make text more accessible to our students. Now, there are 3 online tools that I'm going to share out with you. The first one is Newsela, or Newsela. It allows you as the instructor to assign an article based on a student's reading level. And this is an online source that your students can create accounts and they will sign in, and you as the instructor will assign those out to your students. It also allows you to give quizzes to those students based on that reading as well, so you can check their reading comprehension. Next is Tween Tribune, which is put on by the Smithsonian website, and it has free online newspaper articles for students age 8 to 15. It also allows teachers to assign different articles based on reading level. And the last one is Rewordify. This allows you to copy text that might be difficult to read and paste it into the given box on the website, and it will instantly give you a reader-friendly version. It's a really neat online tool. Okay, so we're always talking about Webb's depth of knowledge. So utilizing these online tools increases the depth of knowledge that our students are at. Remember that we want to build on what our students are able to do and scaffold that information and increase the rigor of work to create a meaningful change in their learning experience. The whole differentiating instruction is a key piece to increasing a student's depth of knowledge. Now, based on those different levels that we've been talking about, it just totally depends on the article and what you're having your students do in that specific regards to where it would fall on Webb's depth of knowledge scale. So the outcome from this tutorial: you're going to learn the basic function of each of these online tools and learn how to share out this information that will best suit your students and their learning experience. We'll talk about the best ways to share this out using tools like Shobi or Google Classroom, or even creating a QR code so that you can share this out instantly to your students. You're also going to learn how to implement meaningful instruction that is differentiated to learners' needs. And finally, the application is that English language arts is a core subject that is an important skill necessary to show growth in the whole learning process. ELA is one of those subjects that is on all standardized tests, so it's something that we really need to take serious in order to get positive, meaningful change in our students' learning outcomes. So for this tutorial, I'm going to be using an iPad, but you can access this through a desktop or a laptop. It really is up to you. So we're going to go ahead and dive right into it today.